Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. If you want to check that whether the website you are using or you are browsing with is secure for your mobile or not, you need to just write the name of software, the name of that website in the Google. For example, I am searching Canva website. Click on it will open in the Google Chrome. Click on the first website, canva.com. When you click on it, the Canva website will be opened in front of you. Now click on three dots, top right corner of your mobile. When you click on it, then click on this I button. First is arrow, second one is star, third one is download, and fourth one is the I button. Click on it, this I button. It will show you that whether this connection is secure or not. This connection is secure. It means that this is secure for your mobile. And click on cookies. It will show you that how many cookies are blocked and how many cookies are in use. It is now using 16 cookies are blocked and 28 cookies are in use. In this way you can check that whether the website you are visiting is secure or not for your system, for your mobile. So it is very important feature of the Google Chrome. When you are using the Chrome, you need to check that whether the website, you can search other websites in the same way, and this will secure your mobile, your system from the external attack, from the cyber security attacks. So you need to learn this process to check the sites for your security. Thank you so much for watching.